Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. I brought in the rugged marsh green skin from Sopiguard. I actually purchased it myself. It was my way of saying thank you to Sopiguard for their continuous support, giving me the opportunity to represent. Now I'm going to be removing the Sopiguard sticker bomb skin that they actually sent to me for review. You can watch that video. I would appreciate it if you haven't. The reason I'm doing the intro this way is because I accidentally deleted the original intro. So after this part of the video, we're going to speed it up, add some music, and then I'll have some final words. But I did want to add some information that I think is very important outside of the link that will be down below in the description area for the Sopiguard website, where you're going to find a lot of different skins, colors, textures, for your Z Flip 3 and other smartphones. $9.99, basically 10 specs. Not a lot of money for every skin they have for the Z Flip 3. If you're going to be using a blow dryer, make sure you hold it a few inches away from your device, whatever device you're applying a skin to. In this video, obviously, it's the Z Flip 3. And make sure you're moving that blow dryer around, never holding it in one place. That could damage your phone. Okay, I understand that helps the adhesive to adhere to the device that you're applying a skin to. And in this video, obviously, it's the Z Flip 3. But make sure you're moving that around. Typically, I'll use a blow dryer if it's a full body type skin. But since I'm using a case, the case actually puts pressure on the skin to help it adhere to the body of the device. So again, please move that blow dryer around, hold it a few inches away. You don't have to have it on high heat. Medium works just fine. And I think that's all I had to share. Again, don't forget that link down below in the description area. And enjoy the video, enjoy the music, and I'll be back with some final words. Peace. Yeah, that looks really nice. Now, you can't really see the skin. You can see it right here. And I got that pretty darn perfect around the cameras and flash. And the cutout around the window. Yeah, the matte clear case from Ringke. They sent me this case and this clear case for review. So what we're going to do is actually take this one off. And remember, having a case on is going to help put pressure on that skin so it stays put. Okay, so it sticks really nice to the back of my Z Flip 3. And the clear case here from Ringke allows you to see the skin a lot better here. The rugged marsh green. You can see the texture, the color. That is just nice. I think I'll sport this case for a few days as the skin adheres to the back of my Z Flip 3. But if you're not sporting a case, you might want to use that blow dryer and then let it sit for a little bit. That looks really, really nice. Please leave some feedback down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Again, that Link for the Sopiguard website will be in the description area. $9.99, basically 10 specs, is not a lot of money to add a little flavor, add a little some to your Z Flip 3, and it's going to protect the body of the device. And of course, with the case, get a lot more protection for your investment. And it just looks good. Look at that. Totally digging it. And that's it, folks. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. God bless. Peace. I am out.